What is a legal brief's conclusion and prayer for relief? Imagine you're in a courtroom and the case is coming to an end. The judge has heard all the evidence and arguments. Now, the lawyer needs to make a final impression. That final part is called the conclusion and prayer for relief. These sections are where the lawyer sums up their main points and asks the court for a specific outcome. They are very important because they help the judge understand what the lawyer wants and why they should get it. The conclusion of a legal brief is like the closing statement of a speech. It briefly repeats the strongest arguments and evidence. The goal is to remind the court why their side should win. It should be clear and persuasive but not overly long. Think of it as a quick summary that leaves a strong impression. It highlights the key legal principles and facts that support the case. The conclusion helps reinforce the main message and make sure the court remembers the most important points. After the conclusion, the lawyer writes the prayer for relief. This part is a formal request to the court. It spells out exactly what the lawyer wants the court to do. For example, they might ask for money damages in order to stop certain actions or other remedies. The prayer must be specific and clear so the court knows what is being asked. For instance, a lawyer might say, "We respectfully request that the court award the plaintiff $100,000 in damages, issue an injunction to prevent further harm, and order the defendant to pay court costs." In courtrooms, these sections are very influential. Judges relying on the conclusion to see the main points again. They look at the prayer for relief to understand what the party is asking for. Well-written conclusions and prayers can sway the judge's decision because they clarify the case and the desired outcome. When writing a prayer for relief, it is best to be straightforward. Use precise language and list the specific remedies you want. This helps the court understand your request without confusion. For example, instead of asking for any relief the court finds appropriate, specify what you need. This could be damages, an injunction, or other legal remedies. In the end, the conclusion and prayer for relief are the final tools of persuasion in a legal brief. They wrap up the argument and tell the court exactly what you want. Clear, concise, and direct language in these sections can make a big difference in the outcome of a case. They are the last chance to persuade the court and to make sure your case ends on a strong note.